Something abnormal just hit Tampa Bay's housing market. We're not talking about a small correction. This is the most balanced market we've seen in nearly a decade. If you're buying or selling anywhere between $500,000 and $1.5 million, this episode is your roadmap to winning in 2025. I'm Tamily Abdo, your Tampa Bay real estate strategist, and around here, we're all about unlocking smarter moves. My team and I help families, investors, and relocators make confident moves across South Tampa, Odessa, Wesley Chapel, and St. Pete. So grab your coffee. This is your 2025 Tampa Bay Market Masterclass. All right. Let's start with the big picture. Tampa Bay's market has split into three clear zones, all by price point. Zone 1, the competitive turnkey zone, $500K to $750. Still very active, but the frenzy is over. Homes now are closed within 45 to 60 days instead of 30. Roughly 29% of listings have reduced prices, and buyers are negotiating up to 3% below, plus asking for credits. Zone 2, the move-up opportunity. Price points here are between $750,000 to up to $1 million. This is the sweet spot for savvy buyers. Inventory is up and more than 60% of homes sit between 60 to 90 days, and builders are offering their biggest incentives. $40,000 to $65,000 in flex cash, rate buydowns, and even CDD payoffs. Zone 3, the luxury light zone, $1 million to $1 million plus. This is where overpricing meets reality. Homes are taking 90 plus days to sell, and buyers are often negotiating 7 to 10% below list pricing. This is a big opportunity for buyers. And bottom line, buyers now have time, choice, and leverage again. Sellers who price right still move fast, but the days of testing the market are completely over. Wondering whether it's smarter to buy now or wait? Stick with me because we're all about unlocking smarter moves. New construction now makes up about a third of all of Tampa Bay home sales. Builders are quietly offering $25,000 to up to $100K in incentives, from flex cash to rate buydowns to closing cost credits for buyers. Many of these incentives can buy down rates into the 4 3/4 range, while market rates are still sitting in the high 6s. The best time to negotiate is at the end of each quarter or at the end of the year. This is when builders are trying to hit sales targets and get more aggressive in pricing. We've helped buyers negotiate $50,000 to $80,000 off of quick move-in homes in the Tampa Bay area. If you're thinking about waiting for the rates to drop, builders are already doing that for you. Comment builder list below or message me so that you can receive current incentives near you, because this is how we're unlocking smarter moves. Let's talk about how to win as a buyer for 2025. Here's my 5-step buyer playbook built from real Tampa Bay data. Step 1. Target days on market. Don't chase the newest listing, focus on homes sitting longer. Price points of $500K to $750K are sitting in the market 30 to 60 days. Negotiate anywhere between 2 to 3% off and incentives. Price points between $750K to $1 million, we're looking at 60 to 90 days on market. Aimed for 5 to 7% off plus a rate buy down. $1 million to $1.5 million. These are homes that have been sitting on the market for 90 days plus. Offer 5 to 10% below list with full concessions. Step 2, lead with terms, then price. Start with terms, asking for seller credits, repairs, credits, or rate buydowns before negotiating the purchase price. This builds goodwill and reveals what matters most to the seller: timing, certainty, or convenience. Step 3, time for builders. Builders have quotas. Hunt quick moving homes near at the end of a quarter or year end when incentives budgets always reset. That's when you leverage peaks. Step 4, target high leverage listings. Especially in Pinellas or St. Pete, look for homes or condos with 2+ price cuts and 60+ days on the market. Those sellers are ready to sell and deal. Use inspections to uncover issues and turn them into repair credits or price leverage. Step 5, trade speed for savings. Be the most prepared buyer in the room. Come in pre-approved, flexible on close dates, and ready to act. That combination can win you 2 to 3% in concessions or rate buy downs. Are you renting now but thinking of buying this year? Comment next move below and we'll send you a personalized buyer game plan for your price range. Because when it comes to real estate in 2025, we're all about unlocking smarter moves. Now let's zoom into Pinellas County and St. Pete, one of the most dynamic markets right now. Condo prices are down 6 to 19% year over year and inventory is up big. The average condo sits 55 to 70 days on market with 60% showing multiple price cuts. For buyers, that's an opportunity. For sellers, presentation and transparency is key. Condo associations, reserves, insurance. These details matter more than ever because in markets like this, it's all about unlocking smarter moves. Now let's talk to sellers. Here's how to protect your profit and control your timeline in 2025. Step 1, price for today, not 2022. Tampa homes now average 57 days on market and sell to 4 to 5% below list. Home price within 2% of comps still move fast and the rest sit and cut. Step 2, pre-inspect and stage. With insurance and inspection concerns rising, staged and pre-inspected homes sell 10 to 14 days faster and much closer to list price. Step 3, offer smart concessions. Nearly half of Tampa Bay sellers now include 2 to 3% in buyer credits or rate buy downs. A $12,000 to $15,000 buy down can lower a buyer's payment by $500 to $700 a month. It feels like a 6 to 7% price cut without actually lowering your price, because smart pricing and strong prep are how we keep unlocking smarter moves. Let's close with your quick smart strategy checklist for 2025. For my buyers, target days on market, stack builder incentives, lead with terms rather than price, and use timing and speed for leverage. For my sellers, price to the current market, pre-inspect and stage, offer smart concessions early. Tampa Bay's not crashing, it's correcting. And in a correcting market, strategy creates opportunity. Subscribe if you want more updates that help you buy and sell with confidence, because this channel is dedicated to unlocking smarter moves. Whether you're buying your first home or selling your fifth, this market rewards strategy, not luck. I'm Tammy Abdo, your Tampa Bay real estate strategist, helping you decode the data and unlock smarter moves every week. Are you ready to make your next move but unsure where to begin? Or maybe you've been searching but nothing feels right. That's exactly what I'm here for. Subscribe and connect with us for all of your Tampa Bay real estate needs, from new builds to luxury listings to investments. I'm Tammy Abdo, reminding you this is all about unlocking smarter moves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.